It sounds like a magic fix for all your rental headaches, letting someone else deal with the late night calls and broken toilets. But honestly, after 20 years in real estate, I can tell you hiring a manager doesn't fix the real problem. It just adds another layer of cost and a new person you have to manage. Think about it. You still own the property. You're still paying a chunk of your profits to someone else, usually around 8 to 12% of the rent, plus fees for new tenants, repairs, and evictions. They handle the day to day fires, sure, but the fundamental issue of being tied to a property, dealing with tenants, and relying on steady rent for cash flow, that's still squarely on your shoulders. I've seen investors lose money because the management company wasn't good, or they kept having vacancies, eating into profits and making the property a bigger headache than before. The core issue isn't who manages the property, it's what kind of property you're managing and how you're owning it. If your strategy relies on tenants and long term hold, you're always going to face those hassles, whether you have a manager or not. You're trying to put a band aid on a bigger problem. That's why our focus shifted years ago. We found a way to own rental property without the tenants, the contractors, or the long term headaches. We often said we buy it on Friday and sell it on Monday because we're looking for fast exits and real ownership without traditional burdens. You get control, quick profit, and low risk because you're not stuck waiting years for appreciation or dealing with broken leases. When you don't have tenants, you don't need a property manager. That's the real solution. If you want to learn more about smart real estate strategies that skip the usual hassles, follow this page.